Cali District Attorney hit Megan's coffee brand with 60-day notice of violation for food poisoning. Megan is currently under scrutiny for endangering the health of customers by selling a brand of coffee that contains high levels of lead, a toxic metal that can cause serious health problems. The Cleaver blended coffee brand that Markel invested in and promoted as a woman-led wellness company received a 60-day notice of violation from the California District Attorney for failing to warn customers about the presence of lead in its products. According to the announcement obtained by the tabloid magazine, Cleaver received 5 large deliveries of oatmeal milk from a supplier in Xinjiang, China, between October and February. Xinjiang Sea supply and international trade are within 4 miles of suspected detention centers where more than 1 million Muslims have been subject to forced labor, torture, and sterilization by the Chinese government. Oatmeal powder was used as an ingredient to Cleaver mix, a super lat power mix that was found to contain lead and lead compounds known to cause birth defects and other reproductive harm. The notice stated that the Cleaver mixture violated Proposition 65. California law requires businesses to provide clear and reasonable warnings to consumers about exposure to chemicals that may cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. The notice also states that Cleaver Mix did not conduct adequate testing and quality control to ensure that the safety of its products and misleading customers didn't happen. They misled customers by claiming that its products were sourced from legal and transparent origin. The notice requires Cleaver Blend to stop selling its products in California, to pay civil penalties of up to £2,500 per day or dollars per day for each violation. The notice also warns that if the Cleaver mixture does not comply within 60 days, the California District Attorney may file a lawsuit against the company and seek injunctive relief and additional penalties. The announcement is a blow to Markel, who announced her investment in the Cleaver blend in December when she and husband Prince Harry severed ties with the royal family and moved to the U.S. Markel even asked Oprah Winfrey to promote the Cleaver blend, which she described as a passion project supporting female entrepreneurs and health. Markel is a vocal advocate for women's rights, human rights, and social justice, and has often criticized the media and the monarchy for their treatment of her and her family. However, Markel's involvement in Cleaver blends has exposed her to accusations of hypocritical ignorance and greed because she's involved with a company that allegedly sources ingredients from a region where violations of human rights is rampant and is accused of selling products that could harm her customers. Markel has also been accused of exploiting his royal status and connections to secure lucrative deals with Netflix, Spotify, and other media platforms while keeping distance from the royal family and the British public.